Okay, now kita tengok example 5. A cylindrical glass rod in air has refractive index of 1.52. One end is ground to a hemispherical surface with radius 2 cm as shown in figure. Find the position of image for a small object or add centimeter to the left of the pole. And then tambah lagi satu soalan dekat sini. Calculate the linear magnification and state the characteristic of the image. Okay, so as you can see in the figure here, we have glass. So this is a glass. And then we have object in front of the glass. Okay, as you can see glass ni kan, we have a surface. Ni adalah surface of the glass, di mana bentuk dia adalah slightly curved. And then curve dia ni kalau kita tengok daripada perspective of the object, it is actually a convex, okay, a convex surface. And then glass ni kita letakkan dia dekat air. So, maksudnya dekat luar ni adalah air, and then dekat dalam ni we have refractive index of the glass which is 1.52. And then dekat luar dekat sini air, di mana n will be equal to 1. Okay, so next one we have the radius which is 2 cm. And then add centimeter dekat sini adalah position of the object daripada the pole, this one. And then soalan minta adalah find the position of the image. Okay, so basically we have the number, the refractive index n of the glass adalah 1.52. And then radius dekat sini we have 2 cm. Okay, since dia adalah convex surface, so kena refer balik kepada table dekat sini. Okay, so kalau convex surface, radius for this one must be positive. Okay, so radius kita akan jadi positive. And then we have the value for u. Add centimeter. And then what we want is the value for v. Okay, so for this one, we always use the same formula, which is n1 over u plus n2 over v equal to n2 minus n1 over the radius. Okay, so macam mana kita mau tentukan mana satu n1, mana satu n2? Okay, kalau kita tengok dekat sini kan, the formula n1 divided by u. U ni kita tahu dia adalah distance of the object. Maksudnya objek ni terletak di medium dekat mana. So u dekat sini, objek dekat sini, ni kan u kan. So objek dekat sini dia adalah diletak di medium air. And then image, kita tahu v adalah the distance of the image, which is dia diletak di medium n2, di mana medium I ni, medium image ni adalah dekat dalam glass. So maksudnya dekat sini n1 would be the air, n2 would be the glass. So just masukkan, we have n1 adalah sama dengan 1 divided by u, add centimeter, plus n2 adalah glass 1.52 divided by the v is what we want to calculate. And then 1.52 minus 1 divided by the radius which is 2 cm. So v akan dapat 11.26 cm, which is we get negative. Okay, so next one we want to find the linear magnification. So how to find the linear magnification? So let's say this one is soalan A, now soalan B, we want to find M. So we still use the same formula as before, which is M adalah equal to negative V over U. So now kita ada V, kita sudah dapat 11. Okay, negative 11.26 divided by U. Add. So M akan dapat negative 1.4. Okay, now we want to state the characteristic of the image. Okay, so first, kita tengok value V. V dekat sini adalah positive, right? So positive here means, okay, kena ingat positive always mean it is real image. And then next one kita tengok the sign convention for M. M kalau negative meaning that it is inverted. And then kita mau tahu size image yang terbentuk tu, kita tengok value. We just ignore the sign lah. So kita tengok value dekat sini 1.4. meaning that M is larger than 1. So kalau larger than 1, it is magnified. Okay, so list down the characteristic. So we have real image, and then inverted, and then last one will be magnified. Okay, so that's all for example 5. Okay, now kita tengok example 6 pula. An object is 20 cm in front of a glass block with a concave surface of radius of curvature 10 cm. Find the position of the image formed by refraction at the concave surface. So now kita ada concave surface. So ni adalah bentuk concave. Objek diletakkan di depan glass ni. And then glass dekat sini, the value for n is 1.5. Okay, so highlight dahulu. Kita ada 20 cm ni adalah value for u. Okay, ni adalah value for u. And then we have radius of curvature 10 cm. Find the position of the image. So kita ada u 20 cm and the radius is 10 cm. But since dia adalah concave kan, so if you tengok dekat table, if it's concave surface, okay, radius of curvature dia mestilah negatif. So kita letakkan negatif dekat sini. And then we want to find the value for v. So again, we still use the same formula, n1 over u plus n2 over v equal to n2 minus n1 divided by the radius. So just masukkan n1 tu dekat sini kan. This one here will be the air, which is n for air will be always equal to 1. So masukkan 20 plus n2 adalah 1.5 divided by the v is what we want, equal to n2 1.5 minus 1 divided by negative 10. So v you will get negative 15 cm. Okay, if we want to find the linear magnification. Okay, dekat dalam soalan dia tidak minta, but now I want to find the linear magnification, the value for m. So again, kita akan guna m is equal to negative v over u. So masukkan negative, and then v kita dapat negative again kan. So masukkan lagi negative, divided by u adalah 20. So m is now positive 0.75. Okay, so now if we want to state the characteristic of the image, first kita tengok v ni. V dapat negatif. So kalau negatif, it will be virtual. And then m dekat sini kita dapat positif, right? So positive meaning that it is upright. And then kalau tengok value m ni, value m adalah less than 1. Sebab dia 0.75 kan. So kalau less than 1, it will be diminished. So the characteristic of the image, kita listkan, we have virtual, and then we have upright, and then last one will be diminish. Okay, so kena ingat dekat sini, dia adalah berbeza dengan cermin. Kalau cermin virtual, kita tahu dia adalah di belakang cermin. Now, untuk surface, ni kita panggil surface. Untuk surface, kalau negatif, v adalah negatif kan. Okay, tengok dekat dalam table ni. Okay, v dekat sini, negatif means virtual. Tetapi position dia adalah image is on the same side of the spherical surface from where the light is coming. Bermaksud image tu terbentuk di hadapan. Maksudnya image tu akan terbentuk dekat sini. Okay, dia akan virtual untuk surface bermaksud dia adalah same side as the object. Object dekat sini maksudnya image tu akan terbentuk dekat sini lah. Okay, so dia akan berbeza dengan cermin. But we know that if it's negative, it will always be virtual. Okay, so that's all for example 5 and 6. Thank you.